Good morning, YouTube. But that's not my introduction. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Hazel back in the building. How are you feeling today? Work on my day. I just woke up and today's the day that I'm going skydiving. I'm scared as shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But we're gonna have a great day. I don't ever wake up this early, honestly. I'm usually up till this time. It's like 7:30, and my ride is supposed to be picking me up at 8:30. So I'm just gonna do like a little a little beat, just a little, because I don't want to be on video. Let's go get ready. Okay, so I'm all dressed and ready. I have on like a little boy fit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like I got my Timbs on, jeans, my Tug t-shirt. You know, like in the light it starts to reflect and stuff. It's really fire. One of my homeboys actually came out with this. Okay, time to go. I'm so excited. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. But let's see what this is. I don't know what to say. Let's just go. Okay, let's go. You got a Confederate flag up? Yeah. Oh Lord. This is why you don't live in the nicks like this. Oh my gosh.
There's the little building.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. My legs just went like, wait, I'm scared. Just pulled up to skydiving place. I'm so scared. Like, I wasn't scared this morning. I wasn't scared up until like 10 minutes away from this place. I'm so scared. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, I'm doing it by myself. Time to get this over with. I'm so terrified right now.
You look like a jumper. You ready?
Good morning.
Right, you gotta do your online waivers at the time.
Waiver said if you die, you can't sue us.
There's one.
It was just me.
Just you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Signing your life away.
I said the same thing. I said those exact words.
Let's breathe.
Okay, I'm scared as Yes. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Alright, we're going together.
Okay.
This your first time?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
I'm so nervous.
A little bit. Alright, do you want to go ahead and take your purse off?
Yeah, sure.
Everything in your pockets. Go ahead and
Okay.
take everything out of your pockets. If you need to go to the bathroom, go ahead and do that right now. Alright, you're just going to step your feet into these two loops. Face that way. Just like that. Grab those loops, pull them up over your thighs. Put this over your shoulders like a jacket. Right. Sticking right outside the plane this far away from you, and you'll smile at the top of his head, and he'll take a cool photo.
Okay.
And then I'll say 1, 2, 3, and we'll be out of the plane. That just gives a little push, alright? Okay. All you gotta do when we leave the plane is push your hips out, keep your head back, and you're gonna pull your feet back as well. So when we first leave the plane, just try to do this. And that just makes my job really easy. Shortly after we leave the plane, I'm gonna start tapping on your shoulder. And that's just my signal to you that, hey, we exited the plane, everything went well, you can let go now.
Okay.
So when you let go, put your hands up like this.
Okay.
You got it. And then you can just relax. You don't have to do this anymore. The wind's just going to push you back anyway. We'll be falling straight down. Keep your head up. Smile for the camera. Wave at him. He'll fly around us. He'll take a lot of photos and video. You can do rock and roll or hang 10. Kiss, kiss, bang, bang. Have fun, all right?
Okay.
Like, that was crazy. And there you go. Any questions?
How long is the fall?
We'll fall for 1 minute. And we'll be on the parachute for about 4 minutes. So
Okay.
from the time we got out of the plane till we're on the ground, about 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Longest 5 minutes of my life.
Any more questions?
I think that's it.
Alright, that's our parachute. I'm going to go grab some goggles and altimeter. I'm going to put on a long sleeve shirt.
Okay.
And then we got it.
Alright.
High five. Too cool. Sweet.
Gosh.
Any last words?
I don't know. It's just so much of yelling inside of my body. I'm so okay. we're gonna have fun. We're walking towards my death. I'm just playing. But this is my instructor. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so scared. But okay, we're gonna get this done. Okay, we're gonna get it done.
Go ahead.
Arcadia.
Yes.
Sir camera guy. How you doing? Aaron. Nice to meet you. Let's take you a personal camera guy. Hey. Octavia.
Yes.
What are you doing here today?
Okay, we're gonna go skydiving. I'm gonna go skydiving. First time. I'm so scared.
That's a bit crazy, don't you think?
Yes.
Any special occasion?
Birthdays. For birthdays.
High five, girl. We'll see you on that plane. I'll see you outside. Hey girl! We just hit halfway. How you feeling?
I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, oh.
The nerves are kicking in?
Yeah.
How about you, Nick? You ready for this, brother?
Oh, I'm waiting.
Alright, girl, you got any last words?
Do it, I guess.
Do it. Have fun, girl. I will see you outside. Yeah, girl! Welcome back to Earth!
Oh god, I can't feel my face or my fingers, but it was so amazing.
Go take those goggles off, girl. Give that man a high five. Hey!
Thank you so much. Oh, that was so cool.
So, golden question, would you do it again?
I would do it a million times over. Oh my gosh.
In a heartbeat, right?
Heartbeat.
Where would you do it?
Right here.
Right here. Welcome to
Georgia. This is me after the jump. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. They done dried out my hair and now I look like I don't know what I look like. Oh my lord, it was so much fun. When the plane was going up, I was just, oh, my heart was racing. I was shaking. Literally, I was shaking. I was like, oh my god. My instructor kept asking me like, are you okay? Like, are you? Oh my god! It was so surreal. Like, you have no idea. Like, I wish I could explain every single feeling from the rush of jumping out of that plane to the floating in midair. Like, it was so amazing. And I don't know if y'all realize, but in the beginning of this video, I did have my eyelashes. My eyelashes from my company, from my brand. I had on nice quality eyelashes. And they gone. You know why they gone? Because before I got out the plane, before I did that little jump, I was like, okay, listen, the goggles were pressed on my face like this. So I was like, whoop, gave it to the guy that was recording, and he tucked it away, and I just forgot to get it from him because I was so excited after we landed and everything. My hair is so crispy now. You have no idea. I would tell anybody to do that. Not gonna lie to you, when I was going up, I was like, oh dang, I didn't think it was gonna be this far. And he was like, huh? We're only 2,000 feet. We're going to 14,000. I was like, wait a minute now, hold on. I started to get nervous. My legs were shaking, my whole body was shaking. It was pretty cold up there too. The higher we went, I was just cold. And then like when we jumped out, the air was so cold, my fingers started to get so cold. And I was the first person to jump out the plane. When we were riding up there, you saw the trees, you know that was a tree, and then and then when we got to where we're going, it all started to become like boxes. You know when you look at a map, a Google map, and you just see the outlines, that's what I was looking at. And I was like, I'm not jumping out of this plane. I'm not doing it. Then it just like, Hazel, calm down, calm down, calm down. That's all I kept saying to myself, like, calm down, calm down, calm down. While I was preparing, I was just like, calm down, calm down. I was like, just so jittery, it was just so like, it was so much like adrenaline, so much just nervous feeling. Scooching down off of that bench that was on, putting my feet at the corner of that thing. From there, every bit of emotion, every bit of nervousness just jumped out of my body. It was like a now or never type situation, and I did it. I jumped out. Oh my gosh, that feeling like jumping out, it was like a whoa. You're just falling, and then you're falling, and your hands are up, and you're I tried now, like, let I say, my face was going like, I tried to smile, like, and I don't know, the wind was just so much. I tried to put my hands up, and it was kind of hard at first. I was trying to put my hands together like this. It was hard. It was so much fun though. Like, I would recommend anybody to do that. The most beautiful part of it all is when they let go the parachute, and you're just gliding. Literally, it's like looking at it, you're just like, you see somebody coming down real fast. But being up there, it's like you're not falling at all. It doesn't feel like you're falling anymore. It just feels like you're sitting on air. And I was just looking out, and I did it. I feel like today was a beautiful day because it wasn't too cold. It wasn't too cold, like actually on the ground. Like, the weather was beautiful. There was clear skies. So I was seeing everything. Like the colors on the trees, everything. There was a hawk that flew by us. Like, it was just so beautiful. It was so beautiful. It was such a thrill. It was so surreal. Like, it was like, oh my god, I can't believe I just jumped out of a plane. I just jumped out of a whole plane. Like, it's so exciting. If you were hesitant about doing that and it's on your bucket list, baby, do it. Because it was on my bucket list, and check. Now it's off my bucket list because I did it. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let's do 4 things today. Positive things. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can share this video with a friend. You can subscribe because you'll be getting more of me. You get me? Like, because I jumped out of a plane, my guy. Comment, because I want to know if you would do it, or would you bring somebody with you, or have you done it already? Like, I want to know. Talk to me. I like talking. Clearly. To all my beautiful people out there, don't let anyone tell you you can't, because you can and you will. They just mad because they won't. Okay, don't forget to follow your girl Hazel at blaque.roses on Instagram, and all my other social media platforms will be down in the description below. I have a cosmetic line. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I have a cosmetic line. December 1st is my launch date, and all the details for that will be down in the description below. And I would love for you to support my cosmetic line, because even you men out there, you have an auntie, you have a niece, you have a sister, you have a girlfriend, you have a friend that's a female. Y'all could support too. I don't want to hear, oh my God, you have a mom, right? You have a sister, right? You have an auntie, right? You have somebody, right? You have a female in your life, right? Okay, try me again. But yes, support the thing, man. You get me, bruv. Alright, I'm out.
I've got black